Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over recovering a deleted Apple Music playlist. I'll show you two ways to go about this. So one is you recovered deleted music on your iPhone from iTunes. So here you go to your phone's, iTunes, your music, and then what you want to do right here, make sure by the way you be syncing your music. So if you come right there to summary, you should see backups. And you can click here on restore backup. It would, manually go ahead and restore your backups, including your music. Or you can go ahead and do this directly on your iPhone without, computer using iCloud. So you open the music app on your iOS device and you go to the library tab, okay, right here. Then in the library tab, you tap on the songs option right here. You should see downloaded music once you get this drop down. And then what you need to do, okay, is tap on the library button, basically. So if you see something like this showing only music on this iPhone, just tap on the library button. It will show all the music, including the deleted songs, and you can go through the songs and just select the ones you wish to retrieve, okay? And you can restore those. Once you go and locate the deleted songs, you tap the download button there, and this songs will start re-downloading from your iCloud music library, and they'll be available for playback. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.